I don't understand why people do this. It's one of the stupidest things. It's literally one of the stupidest things you could ever do. And that's copying other people's trades or taking signals from other people. That means, what are you doing? If you're literally taking signals from people, someone tells you when to buy, someone tells you when to sell, someone tells you when to fucking wipe your ass. Like, what are you doing? You're not learning the skill of trading. You're just following someone who may or may not know what they're doing. You're completely blindly just you potentially could be throwing your money away, copying these trades, copying these signals, and you're not learning shit. Like, I've never understood the concept of someone texting you signals. Like, like there's like group chats or discords where these creators or whatever you want to fucking call them, they send signals to you, right? In Discord. And I only know this because I have a friend who was just telling me, "Yo, join this chat, bro. Join this chat. You could get all the signals and all the." I'm like, no, because you're not obviously making money, and you're copying some trader who's supposed to be this millionaire tycoon. And if I ask you, can you tell me what you're looking at on the chart? You have no fucking clue. And what that person that you're copying may see, I might see something completely different. But they're just blindly accepting these trades or blindly following these trades, and they have no clue on what they're even looking at. They have no clue of what's going on the charts, because the guru, the person they're paying X amount of money to, that's probably how they're making all their money. The quote unquote trader is probably making all their money on you, on your dumb ass, just giving money to that person in order to so you can get these signals. I've never understood that. If you want to learn, if you want to get into trading, get into it. I mean, money is the cool part, right? That's it allows you the freedom to do whatever. But get into it because you actually enjoy the process of trading. You actually enjoy like analyzing the data, looking at the charts, like learning about different criteria that's on the screen. Depending on, it doesn't matter if you're trading forex, stocks, options, futures. Doesn't this applies to anyone who wants to be a technical analyst who enjoys looking at the charts like myself. Study different time frames, study different indicators. Don't hit this trading guru, copy their signals. And how many of those people are profitable? They're making money off of you giving them money. And like a lot of these courses, a lot of these gurus are just making money off courses. An example for you, right? An example, if you're copying someone's trades blindly, say honestly, it's pretty much just front running. Say they send you a signal, oh, I'm gonna buy 100 shares of Apple at this price. They probably bought the shares, and then they have a chat with a few hundred people. They bought the shares prior to even sending the signal. And then, depending on how much volume, how much clout they have, the price could go up. I doubt they have that much clout, but they're into the position probably before you. You follow this position, you copy this position, and then that trader, that guru, sells, and maybe he's a little late to tell you, oh, I'm selling. And then you're negative on your account because you didn't follow it how it should be. There's so much, like, I understand this, right? I understand if you watch a live trader like trade just to kind of see his mentality while trading, kind of see how he's stoic, the neutrality of just him being very present with the charts, seeing how he buys, sells, or if he's buying puts, options, seeing how he actually goes about the actual emotion part of trading and his breakdown. Because a lot of these, or the good ones at least, the good traders will give you a breakdown of, oh, I see this. We're reaching previous resistance here, previous support here. I'm gonna add to my position size, reduce my position size. That makes sense if you're following someone to kind of see what their mindset is going into a trade. Maybe you need to see them. I mean, maybe it's not even live, just like a pre-recorded video that they put on YouTube, just kind of breaking down what they saw, what they thought. That's completely different than you blindly just following because you don't know what the fuck you're doing. That's completely different. And a lot of people who they think with trading, right, you could just fucking make money like that. So they're always trying to find the quickest way to make money. They're always trying to find the quickest way to do whatever. People are always trying to find the quickest way to fucking lose weight, quickest way to make money, quickest way to fucking get muscle. There's no quick way. There's only one way. That's learn. That's learn the fucking skill. If you want to lose weight, go to the fucking gym, run. Your diet. There's no motherfuckers people want to take these Ozempic shots and all these pills to lose weight. People want to do all this shit to shortcut the process. And I'm angry because, especially with the trading, because people just think in 10 minutes you're going to be a fucking millionaire, but you didn't learn anything. You're just a little fucking mouse following this fucking block of cheese. I don't even know if that's a good analogy, but you're doing it for the wrong reason, man. And you're going to lose all your money doing that because you're not actually learning. And what if that trader, that guru isn't there? Who are you going to follow now? Like, when it's just you versus the charts. And if you're speaking with someone who actually knows what they're talking about, they're going to look at you fucking stupid because you don't know what the fuck's going on. So my one piece of advice to you, learn the right way. Learn by, if you got to watch videos, if you got to, maybe there's a course, learn the right way. It don't got to be me. Just learn the right way. If you know it's a red flag, if that person you're following is giving you signals or they're guaranteeing you any money or just guaranteeing anything. That's how you know you got to get up out of there and bounce. If they guaranteed you're not going to lose money. All right, that doesn't even make sense. So just avoid, it's more so just a thought that popped into my head. And I kind of just want to make people aware, like, fuck all these gurus. I'm not saying I'm a guru or nothing. I'm just a small person, small creator, small trader, just documenting my journey to hopefully make content that's relatable to other people who are on the same type of journey as me. But I don't know. There's so much BS out there on the internet that I'd just be weary of what you're looking at, who you're following, and just follow, like I said, if they're guaranteeing profits, if they have signals, any of that shit. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. So just be aware and avoid that copy trading signal bullshit. So stay tuned. We're growing this account from 300 to 1,000, currently at 597. For those of you who've been following, this is just a little rant. I normally do like market analysis, voice cracked, even though I'm 27. It's besides the point. But once I get from 300 to 1,000, then I'm going to go from 1,000 or from 3,000 to 10,000. I think of another challenge there. So stay tuned. Peace.